Few things in this world are as precious as a chickadee landing on your hand, and that's exactly what can happen on this snowshoeing trail in Lake Tahoe.
I just got chills. Oh my God. I don't care if it's just a freaking bird. That was awesome.
This magical experience awaits on the Chickadee Ridge Trail, a 2.3-mile out-and-back route filled with incredible mountain scenery, but the chickadee birds are by far the stars of the show. Just be sure to pack your patience.
I feel like I'm in a chickadee dead zone. Any day now, chickadees. Come on. I want to feel like a Disney princess.
After trying a few strategies to entice the chickadees, like pretending that they don't matter to me at all, and trudging along to multiple locations, I finally landed on the winning spot, and the chickadees made me the happiest guy alive.
Oh, 2 in a row. I think I can now classify myself officially as a chickadee whisperer, if I don't say so myself. I think I got like 8 or 9, not to brag. But now that we've seen the chickadees, it is time to see something else that is equally beautiful.